Okay. Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. How are you all? How are you? Okay. So I muted all of you. So when ma'am will call out your name, you unmute your device and say the answer. Okay. So last class we discussed which flat figure. Raya Sabir, which flat figure we discussed last day?
Triangle.
Only triangle. After that we didn't do.
Triangle. Square.
We completed triangle and square. We completed triangle and square. Okay. Now, Risa Maria, how many corners are there for a square?
4 corners.
Students, please be silent. Risa will say the answer. Risa, please unmute and say. Risa, how many corners are there for a square? Risa, how many corners are
Ma'am.
Good afternoon.
4 ma'am.
There are 4 corners. We can see there are
4
sides. What is special about the sides of a square? Austin, please unmute and say.
There are 4 sides.
Okay, what is special about the sides? Austin.
4 equal sides.
There are 4 equal sides. That's very important. Okay, for a square, the sides are equal. Okay, so today we will do another 2 flat figures. Okay, actually when we are doing the last class and all, I will do first, again I will rub it and we will do together. I am going to do together first itself. Okay, so we will do together. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are ready with the rough book and pencil?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with the rough book and pencil?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am going to share the screen. Okay. So we discussed last day triangle and square. Okay. Now today we will do another. Today we will do another 2 flat figures, and we will complete by today these flat figures. Okay. So triangle having 3 sides and 3 corners. Square also having 4 sides and 4 corners. But there is a special thing about square. All the 4 sides are equal for a square. Now, can you name one object having the shape of a square? Dhruva Prashant. Can you name one object having the shape of a square? Dhruva?
Chessboard.
Chessboard. Carom board.
Candy biscuit.
Very good, very good. Okay, so these objects having the shape of a having the shape of a square. Okay, okay. Now just 1 minute, 1 more minute. Okay. See, Agnes Jojo.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you name one object having the shape of a triangle?
Hanger.
Hanger. Hanger having the shape of a triangle. Hanger having the shape of a triangle. Other than triangle?
Samosa.
Samosa. Very good, very good. You are remembering anyway. Okay. You are remembering all the objects. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. So today, pizza also. So today we will discuss other objects. Okay. Other flat figures. So what is remaining for us? What is remaining? Which are the 2? Rectangle and square. Okay, rectangle and square. Sorry, rectangle and square. Okay, good. So, all are ready with the rough book and pencil, no? Yes. So, I will do it on the screen. You will do in the rough book. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So, today also we will put 4 dots on the screen. Okay? We are going to put 4 dots. Okay? You will do in the rough book, I will do on the screen. Look at the map. Okay? I'm going to put it 4. Okay? 4 dots. These 4 dots are not near. It's far. It's far. Okay? 2 dots I already put on the screen. Then 2 more dots above these 2 dots. Okay?
ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് കൂടിയിട്ട് വെക്കണം കേട്ടോ, കാരണം എന്താ റെക്ടാങ്കിളാ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പോണേ, മനസ്സിലായോ?
And for the square, I said
കൂടുതലായിരിക്കണം,
all
താഴേക്കുള്ള ഡോട്ട് ചെറുതായിട്ട് കുറച്ച് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് മതി.
For the square, the distance between the dot is same, but here rectangle nothing is not like that. Okay, so I put 4 dot on the screen. Then what we will do next? What we will do next? We will join
the dot.
Very good. We will join the dots. You join your rough book, I will join here. So this is the first line I join. Okay, so you also draw in your rough book. And the second one, second sleeping line. Okay, and third standing line, and fourth sleeping line. Okay, so which is the shape we got it? What's the name of the shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay, so what's spelling of rectangle? Rect. Rect. So so we can say R. R E K C T T. Rect. Then angle. You know triangle. Angle spelling. So same way rectangle.
Rectangle.
Okay. RECTANGLE. 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 Okay. Are you doing in your rough book? Dhruva, show me rough book. Dhruva, show me rough book. Okay, okay, good, good. Write the name of the shape. Write the name of the shape. Hayan, show me rough book. Hayan, show me rough book. Hayan, show me rough book. Okay, take a new page. Okay, and try to do this. Put 4 dots and join the dots. Sudhakirti, show me rough book. Sudhakirti, show me rough book. Okay, okay, okay. Good, good, good. Okay. So, how many lines we draw? Here, first line, then second line, third line, and the 4 lines. So, for a rectangle also, how many sides are there?
4.
For a rectangle also, there are 4 sides. For a rectangle also, there are 4 sides. But something special is there for rectangle also. See, all of you look at the screen. All of you look at the screen. Listen here. See, for a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. See, this line number 1, okay, this is equal to line number 3. Or line number 1's opposite side is line number 3. Okay, line number 2 and line number 4, they are equal. Or we can say line number 2's opposite side is line number 4. So line number 2 and 4 are equal. So as a generally we can say opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. You got it? For a rectangle, there are 4 sides, and what is special? Opposite sides are equal. What's the meaning of equal? Equal means same. Okay, equal means same. So for a rectangle, there are 4 sides and opposite sides are also equal. We can write opposite sides are
Equal.
Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are
Equal.
equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now, what about the corners? How many corners are there? How many corners are there? There are 4 corners as like square. Here is the first one. Here second one, third one, and the fourth one. So for a rectangle also there are 4 corners. For a rectangle also there are 4 corners. There are 4 corners. Okay? There are 4 corners. So there are 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal and there are 4 corners. C-O-R-N-E-R-S. Corners.
R-N-E-R-S.
Corners. If it is only one, we can say corner. If it is more than one, we can say corners. Okay. Now, I will show you some object. Let me stop sharing. I will come back again. Okay? I will come back again. I will show you some object having the shape of a rectangle. Let me stop sharing. I'm going to stop sharing. I will show you some object having the shape of a rectangle. Okay? See. All of you look at the map. Look at the screen.
Yes.
What is object with this one? What is object? What is this? It's a
Mama cannot see.
who cannot see?
True.
Who cannot see?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
others.
Yes.
Marin can see ma'am. Marin Justin, can you see ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aisha, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sita,
Ma'am, I know the screen.
who cannot see?
Henry.
Say once more.
Ma'am, Agnes.
Agnes can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is in my hand? What is in my hand? It's scale. We will say ruler. Okay. We will say ruler, or we can say scale also. Its other name is ruler. What is the shape of the ruler, or what is the shape of a scale? It's a rectangle shape object. It's a rectangle shape object. Okay. Now, what about this one? It's an identity card. Okay. It's identity card. What is its shape? This is also having the shape of a rectangle. Okay. This is also having the shape of a rectangle. Okay. Now, again, I am going to
Ma'am, I cannot see the screen.
who cannot see the screen?
Henry.
Henry cannot see the screen. Can you do one thing?
Rectangle.
Please switch off the device. Again, you come. I will update you. Henry, please leave and come again.
Rectangle.
Okay. Malavika, look at the screen, Malavika.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see the object?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
This object, what is this? It's a cover. It's an envelope. Okay. What is its shape? Malavika.
Rectangle. Rectangle.
What is the shape of the envelope, Malavika? What is the shape of the envelope?
Rectangle. Rectangle.
It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. Okay. Now, what about this 20 rupee note? 20 rupee note.
Rectangle.
Notes also having the shape of a rectangle. See, also this 20 rupee note also having the shape of a rectangle. Having the shape of a rectangle. Okay, having the shape of this much. You finish? Rectangle you finish in the rough book?
Yes.
Okay, good. Maithili, please unmute your device. How many sides are there for a rectangle? How many sides are there for a rectangle? 4. How many corners are there for a rectangle? 4. For a rectangle, there are 4 sides and there are 4 corners. Okay? Okay? Okay.
Yes.
Now we can go to the next one, the last one. Okay? See. So all of you completed the rectangle shape. Can we move to the next one?
Yes. Yes.
Ritvik, just show me the notebook. Show me the notebook.
Yes.
Okay, good. Ritvik, can we move to the next figure?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now. Okay. Now. See. Now the last one. See what I am going to do on the screen. After that, you can draw in your rough book. See, I am going to put a seeker. Okay. Now I am closing it. So what I got it? I got a circle. So this is the 4th flat figure we are going to discuss. What is the spelling of circle? C I R C L E, circle. See, C I R C L E, circle. Okay, C I R C L E, circle. Okay.
CLE.
So now you can do it in your rough book. How we will draw the circle? Just put a seeker. Okay, seeker, and just close it. Okay, just close it. Okay, so and write the spelling of circle. CIRCLE, circle. Now let me ask you all. Here any line segment is there? Line is there? Is there any line? No. Is there any? Okay. 0. If it is no line or if it is no sides, is there any medium lines? No. So for a circle, no sides, no corners. Okay. A circle has no sides, no corner. Here we can say. Here we can say 0 sides. Okay. And 0. Or we can write 0. Otherwise, it will be confusion. Okay, ZERO, 0. 0 sides and 0 what? No corners. 0 sides and 0 corners. Can you give some examples for circle? Circle shape objects. Can you name some object? Coin. 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. All these are. See, I okay. Okay, good. See, I bought a coin. What's the shape of the coin? Bangle also. Then this. What is the shape of this coin? Circle. Now, what is this? Did you see this? What is this?
SIDES.
What is this in my hand?
Clock.
It's a clock?
Yes.
It's a clock? See, usually for sadhya and all we will eat. What is this? It's a papadam. Okay? What is the shape of this papadam? It's a papadam. What is the shape? It's also having the shape of it. Circle. It's also having the shape of it. Okay, water bottle cap is also Water bottle's cap also circle. So this papadam also having the shape of a circle. Now I will show you another object. Okay, I will show you another object. See, what is this? Can you see this? What is this? Ah, it is a clock. It is a clock. What is its shape? Also circle shape clock. Okay, this also circle shape. Here we can write example. What we can write? Coin. Coin. Okay. Coin is an example for circle shape object. 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, all these are examples for okay, all these are examples for circle shape objects. Globe is a solid figure that we will study in next class. Okay, globe is a three-dimensional figure that we will call the solid figure that we will study next class. Okay, this is flat figure having only two dimensions. Two dimensions only length and breadth. Okay, a globe is a solid figure that we will study next class. 0 sides and 0 corner. Okay. So now all of you finish circle and rectangle? Anyone is writing? I should show again the screen. I should share the screen. Anyone is writing? All of you completed? Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, now let me ask you some questions. So we finish flat figures today. Okay, we finish flat figures. Which are the flat figures? Which are the flat figures? Triangle, square, rectangle, and circle. So these figures are called flat figures. Flat figures are closed figures and they are two-dimensional figures. They are closed figures and they are two-dimensional figures. Now we discuss the first figure. First closed figure is triangle. A triangle has three sides. A triangle has three sides. And a triangle also has three corners. Three corners. Okay. Name one object having the shape of a triangle. Siddharth, Sandeep. Very good, Manav. Very good, very good. Okay. Siddharth, say answer. Name one object having the shape of a triangle. Samosa. Samosa, it is Muhammad Rishan said. Siddharth, I can't hear you. Siddharth, I can't hear you. Unmute your device and say. Pizza. Okay, pizza said Agnes only. Siddharth, where are you? Siddharth, I can't hear you. Please unmute your device and say. Name one object having the shape of a triangle. Siddharth, can you listen? Am I audible to you? Siddharth. Okay, good. Name one object having the shape of a triangle. Samosa. Very good, Sandhi. Siddharth, very good. Okay. Then we discuss square. Okay, a square having 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 sides for a square. And what is special about the square? For a square, the 4 sides are
Equal.
for a square, all the 4 sides are equal. And square also having 4 corners. 4 corners. Now, Maithili, name one object having the shape of a square. Name one object having the shape of a square. Maithili, say answer. Name one object having the shape of a square. Mohammed Rishan, I will ask you later. Okay, Maithili, say answer. Name one object. Chessboard. Okay, good, good. Then we discuss rectangle. Okay, Mohammed Rishan. What is spelling of rectangle? Mohammed Rishan, say. What spelling of rectangle? Look at the R-E. Say R-E. A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Okay, very good. Okay, now Aisha, how many sides are there for a rectangle? Aisha, how many sides are there? There are 4 sides for a rectangle. Now, Rihan, Hanifa, Rihan, how many corners are there for a rectangle? Rihan? There are 4 corners. Now, let me ask you, what is special about the rectangle? What about the sides? What about the sides? Opposite sides are equal. Rectangles, opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So opposite sides are equal for a rectangle. Okay, good. Now, Prarthana, name one object having the shape of a rectangle. Rectangle shape object. Rectangle shape object. Rectangle, not a triangle. Rectangle shape object. Door. Hanger is triangle only. Prarthana, I ask rectangle shape. Scale. Did you see scale? Scale is an example. Okay. Now, identity card is an example. Phone means which phone? There are many phones. No, land phone is there. Mobile is an example. See, 10 rupee note. Did you see 10 rupee note here? 10 rupee note. This 10 rupee note also having the shape of a rectangle. Okay, 10 rupee note also having the shape of a rectangle. Okay, now then we talk about circle. Okay, then we talk about
pencil box.
Is there any sides for circle? No sides. A circle has no sides, no corners. No sides, no corners. Okay. Now, Adinath, please switch on the video. And Catherine, please switch on the video. Jewel Maria, what is special about the circle? There is no sides and no. Very good, very good. No sides, no corners. Name one object having the shape of a circle. Sandria. Name one object having the shape of a circle. Sandria. Name one object having the shape of a circle. Sandria, say answer. Sandria, say answer. Others, please mute. Sandria. Name one object having the shape of a circle. Name the shape of a circle. Name one object. One object name I am asking. Sandria, where are you?
Plate.
Plate. It's a base only circle, no? Okay. It's this coin also having the shape of a circle. Okay, very good. Now, all of you look at the map. I want to say one thing. See, so by today we completed flat figures. Let me give you. Let me give you one activity. Tomorrow is Sunday. Okay, you all are free now. So I am giving you one activity. Take one A4 sheet paper. A4 sheet paper. Okay, draw the outline. Okay, border line, and divide into 4 equal parts. That A4 sheet paper. And using the matchstick, you make a triangle shape, rectangle shape, and square shape. For a circle, you take bangles. And you just write near to that how many sides are there, how many corners are there. Okay? And also paste one of the picture showing the shape of that flat figure. Got it? What I said? I will say once more. It's an activity for you. What is the activity? Take one A4 sheet paper. Okay? You have to draw the border line and divide into 4 equal parts. And top you can write flat figures. It's a heading. Okay? And you can make all the flat figures using matchstick. Okay? With the gum. You use gum and paste on the paper. Okay? And you can write how many sides are there, how many corners are there. Okay? Also you paste one picture near to that flat figure. What picture? The picture having the shape of that flat figure. You got it? Will you do it? Will you do it? Good. Now, Monday I will ask you on Wednesday. Okay? I will ask you on Wednesday. Okay? I want to see you. I will ask you on Wednesday, not Monday. Okay? Okay. Now one more thing. Day before yesterday we write 5 times with spelling squares. Today you write 5 times the spelling of rectangle. And tomorrow you write 5 times the spelling of circle. Okay? Today you write 5 times the spelling of rectangle in the rough book. Tomorrow you write 5 times the spelling of circle. Is it clear for all? Is it clear for all? Okay. Now I'm going to wind up the session. Okay. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you.